And welcome to my YouTube channel Ch02 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. Go to the instruction file. So my title is EXP22 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. So we can move to the question number one. Question number one is start Excel download and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is write an if function in a cell D9 that I calculate the down payment for the mortgage. The down payment is a 50% of the purchase price. If the customer is a considered high risk or 5% of the purchase price considered the low risk, the criteria to assess the risk of the loan based on the credit score value in the cell B6. Be sure to use the appreciate by absolute or mix a reference when referencing the input value in the range B4 to B6. Then use the fill handle to copy the stopping in a cell D29, D28. Insert the A function in a cell D9. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is D9 and insert the A function. Calculate the down payment for the mortgage. The down payment is a 50% of the purchase price if the customer considered high risk or 5% of the purchase price if they considered a low risk. Type is equal to type the if function and the down payment is a 50% of the purchase price if the customer is a considered high risk or a 5% of the purchase price considered a low risk. And select the cell is C9 credit score less than is B6 house cost, B6 low risk cutoff. Press F4 button comma and select the B4. Press F4 button absolute cell reference. Multiply B9 housing cost comma and B5 low risk down payment percentage. Press F4 button absolute cell reference multiply B9. Close bracket, press enter button. So the result is a down payment. Be sure appreciate absolute cell reference or a cell reference when the differencing the input value in the range B4 to B6. Copy the formula D4 to D28. Fill the handle, copy the formula cell D28 and remove the preserve border. Click the fill. Click the fill without a formatting. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is a enter a formula to calculate the percentage finance in the cell E9. The percentage of finance is the amount finance purchase price. Next, you fill the handle to copy the formula down stopping cell E28. Insert the formula in cell E9. Select the formula, cell is E9, type is equal to, and type the cell is, select the cell is house cost B9, B9 minus D9, down payment, and divided by B9 house cost, press enter button. So the percentage of finance is a 95% result. Next, you will the fill handle copy the down stopping in a cell E28. Copy the formula E9 to E28. Click as fill and fill without formatting. Remove the preserve border. So question number 3 is the complete. We go to the question number 4. So question number 4 is a enter a formula in a cell F9 to calculate the amount finance. The amount finance is the purchase price down payment. After the entering the formula, use the fill handle copy the formula down stopping in a cell F28. Enter a formula cell F9. Select the cell is F9's amount finance and type is equal to and select the cell is housing cost B9 minus D9, down payment, press enter button. So the amount finance is result and use the fill handle to copy the full down formula down stopping in a cell F28. Copy the formula, fill handle to stopping F28. Click the autofill option, click a fill without a formatting. Question number 4 is a complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is a use the VLOOKUP function in a cell G9 to lockup mortgage rate based on the customer credit score and the data in the range D4 to E6. Be sure to use the apartment absolute cell reference. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in a cell G28. Insert the VLOOKUP function in a cell G9 and mortgage range customer credit score and data ranges D4 to E6. Apply the absolute cell reference Go to the Excel worksheet and go to the G9 cell. Is a mortgage and insert the VLOOKUP function. Open the VLOOKUP function dialog box and local mortgage are rates based on the customer credit score and data range D4 to E6. Be sure to use apply the absolute cell reference and fill the formula. Stopping cell is G28. Local value is a C9 credit score and table array is a D4 to E6. Credit score and APR D4 to E6. Apply the absolute cell reference, press F4 button and credit score data D4 to E6 and apply the absolute cell reference and number of column index is a 2. Click OK. Use the fill handle to copy the formula. Don't stopping in a cell G28. Copy the formula in a cell G9 to G28. Click a fill autofill option and click a fill without a formatting. Question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a calculate the rate per period in a cell H9. All the mortgage being finance will be paid monthly. After completing the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in a cell H28. Insert the function in cell H9. Select the cell is H9. Rate per period and calculate the rate per period in a cell H9. All mortgage being finance will be paid monthly. After the completing formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula as S28. Type is equal to and select the cell as G9. Mortgage days divided by 12. Press enter button. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in a cell S28. Copy the formula H9 to S28. Click autofill option. Click fill without a formatting. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is a calculate the total number of payment periods in a cell J9 based on the year finance in a cell I9. After the completing the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in a cell J28. Calculate the total number of payment period in a cell J9 and year finance in a cell I9. Go to the cell is J9. of payment period, and in the J9 is a insert the year finance in a cell I9, and after the completing formula fill handle to copy the formula as J28. Type is equal to and type the select the cell as I9 year multiply by month is 12. Press enter button. So result is a 118, and fill the handle to copy the formula stopping in a cell value J28. Copy the formula, click autofill and click fill without formatting. So question number 7 is a complete.